Now Wren is just gorgeous. I really love this for so many reasons. Wren is really fashionable, gorgeous medium density wig. We've got a lovely beach wave. You know, some might say it's a very loose curl. I'd say that's a lovely beach wave. Starts beautifully from up this side of the head, so it still keeps nice and flat up top, which gives it that fashionable edge, and just working into this lovely curl. So I think she's gorgeous. Let me take her off and show you the cap. So you can see with the fringe of Wren, it's still really nice and light. And believe it or not, Wren is machine made. So she's a machine made cap, and she has adjustable straps in at the nape, which is amazing really, because it still lays very flat up top, which still keeps it looking really fashionable and trendy. And a little styling tip with Wren, if you just want to get her out the box and you want to reinvent the curl a little bit, just to give her a really good shake. Shaking a wig is very underestimated, you know, and shaking that wig, and just maneuvering the fibre, just giving it a little crunch with your hand, really brings that piece back to life. Now this colour is a new colour. This is milky opal. And I just think that just really explains this really nicely. It has that kind of very nuted kind of tone of blonde. It's just like a nude blonde. It looks gorgeous. And it's milky opal R. And the R stands for a root. And I think that root just looks great because it's not too dark, not too much of a contrast. This looks beautiful. So this is Wren in our new colour, milky opal.